Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to makecode.microbit.org, and then you're going to scroll down past the tutorials, live coding, games, music, toys, science, until you get to the tools, and then you click on light level meter. Once there, you want to start with blocks. This is the same as Scratch. If you have done that coding before, then you click OK. And then the instructions are right here. It tells you exactly what to do. So we're going to create a variable reading right here. And we're going to make a variable, and the name of it is going to be reading. All right, and then we're going to click this out here, put it in the forever. And we're going to do it to the light level. Oh, and it's already here. To the light level. And if we have questions, we can always go to this light bulb here, and it tells us exactly what it should look like. Let's go to the next one. Now we're going to plot a bar graph. This is purple, so I go here, plot a bar graph right underneath to the reading, and we go over here to see what it should look like. So that's why we made that variable called reading. Let's open that and put it there. And the limit up to 255. We'll just type that in, 255. Okay, and it looks just like this one. Good. Next. Now we're going to go to the simulator and watch the bar graph change while we adjust the light. So this is a reading of what's happening. Since my device light isn't changing, there's no change. Okay, we go to next. Now we're going to add the code to show a number. So we're going to put here underneath, look over here what it should look like. Ooh, I'm going to go here to logic. We want an if right here around that one. Okay, let's see. So if button A is pressed, so let's click on that. Oh, nope, wrong one. Sorry. Here we go. Input right there. Then we're going to show the number of reading, and we have our variable reading again. So we're going to pull that out, put it right there. Okay. Check and make sure it looks the same. Yep, next. Now we're going to download it and measure the light around us. So you're going to get your microbit. You're going to plug in the micro USB port. And remember to tell your kids that they should only handle the microbit from the sides because it's very delicate. And you plug it into your computer. And once we do that, we are going to download our code. So we go over here, move this out of the way, purple button that says download, we download it. And then it's going to ask us to pair. Oh, maybe not. Okay. And then what should happen is on your device, you should see the LED lights reflect. Let's go over here to data device. Okay. My device is in the light, in the dark. Doesn't have a lot of light, but as soon as I get that light on there, you can see that the reading goes up. So now my device is reading how much light there is in the environment. And then when I turn my flashlight off, it goes back down because it's in the dark again. Okay, so now our device is ready to measure the light levels wherever we put it. After you unplug it from your computer, you put the battery pack in, and then you put it wherever it is that you need to measure the light level. We finish. Okay. And what will happen is if you press the button, that number tells you how much light. It gives you a level of how much light you are seeing. So this screen is 128. My device, however, is showing a 0 because my little device, my microbit, is at 0. Okay. And you can see here, I'm going to press my button on my device and it shows a 0. All right. I hope this helped.